wedding once. Wedding there once. It looks like it's spelled Haute Bois, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, H-A-U. That is Homs, yeah, no, it's definitely Homs. I'm just going to go to the index.
We might just get back to how that sounds.
We're just getting away with it, really, if I'm perfectly honest here. Okay, right, I'm looking on the, I'm not on the map, I'm looking on the index. H-A-U, isn't it? H-A-U. Haute. H. Oh, yeah, we want the L. We want the little L.
We could, is it? We could just get in a little boat. Oh,
don't do that. We haven't got the insurance.
We can punt down the river. There we go. What a lovely idea.
Oh,
While you're just looking at the map, you've got one this afternoon that people can still come to.
We have, yeah. So we're doing one this morning and one at 2 p.m. from this Woodgate car park.
So can anybody just turn up?
Absolutely, yes. We're a little bit limited on numbers, but yeah, come down quick.
Lovely. So nice to see you, lovely ladies. We wish we were coming with you, but we've got treasure to find. So take care. Bye.
well done, Beth. Let's have a chat with Hazel in Norwich. Morning, Hazel. Are you well?
I am very well, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you confident with little Hobbus?
Yeah, because I was a guider.
Oh, a girl.
Any training there. So you head to the Horsham, sorry.
Yeah.
There's a garage. As you go across the bridge, there's a garage.
Yeah.
That little triangle thing. You turn left, you go along, and it's the first left off. It's like kind of like a country lane, sort of half hidden, and then it's just off there. There's a little tiny sign just before. It's not extremely well advertised, shall we say?
Yeah, and it's just as you come out of I'd say the towny bit of Coppershire,
the
isn't it?
car park is literally you can drive up to the house, which will you go straight across, or the car park is just at the bottom, but you might want to go up to the house.
Yeah, look, back to the A140, Jules.
Is that what we need to do?
Yeah, back to the A140.
The way we came.
So if you get back to the A140, I'll then go toward.
Is there a quicker way to get to A140 though, Anna? The wrong way, because we've obviously come via Picting Hall, the other side.
I don't think so. Oh, then I don't know. You could go through Erpingham, but I'm not sure
The thing
the
is,
roads
them roads, I get horribly lost.
I know, I do on these ones because they all look exactly the same. I've no offence to anybody who lives there who knows it like the back of the hand, but they do. They are. Go on.
Sorry, yes, we're in that car park. What was it called again? I'll ask Shelton.
Woodgate?
Woodgate, yes. The Woodgate car park. Just out of Ipswich. So do we need to go back to Ipswich? Do you think it is the best way to go back to Fletchingham?
I would.
Oh, Angie's out of the car.
Okay. She's
getting quite precise.
She's good. She's a good egg. She knows what she's doing. That's excellent, isn't it?
She's got a good jumper on today. It's got lightning on the front, which it's great with a lightning bolt of pink and yellow and red, and I kind of want it for the telly tomorrow. I'm not sure whether she's going to depart with it.
That's tricky, isn't it? How long were you a guider for, Hazel?
I was in guiding from the age of 6 and a half, and I was doing running units for about 12 years.
Gosh.
And I help out my daughter's scout unit.
Do you? Oh, that's a lovely thing to do.
Like,
Do I need to write something out?
What a special thing. It's really lovely.
There's a little room, I don't know if you're going inside the house, but there are lots of little rooms, and they're all based on counties.
Oh, okay.
So counties, I think, might be East Anglia.
Yeah.
So there was ones from Essex, there was ones for Norfolk, and they had in the room, quite a few years ago, there was a place ago, so I can't tell you if it's still true.
Cool. Well,
This
that's
is
great.
just
Some
right,
years ago.
right, and then left.
Hazel, you've been amazing. I'm going to give you a wunderbar.
Wunderbar.
I feel very chuffed with that. If we get in a muddle, we'll ring you back.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was
Lodge, which is opposite it, which is the Brownie like sleepover place, which is just across the road.
Brilliant.
Lodge, yeah. Alright.
Oh, thank you so much. You're a star. Oh, what a love. Thank you. Love you lots. Bye, Hazel. Oh, girls, what a star Hazel is. Have you got good directions? Where are you going? I'll follow you on the map.
Well, we've gone right out of the car park, and then we're going left, aren't we, Ange? Left, and then through Buxton with the llamas, and then that way.
Buxton, Lammas. Yes, yeah, I'll do that definitely. That's it. So you are heading back to the A140, are you? And then
We are, but if we are
crossing over.
great, we're going across
Good for
country.
you. Good for you. Well, I admire
You won't be saying that 2 hours later.
I admire your courage. It's really
We'll
good.
get to the
Yeah, of course you will.
it's just a bend rather than a left turn, isn't
I mean,
it?
really, you're just crossing over the A140 to get to that road that you need to get to Buxton, Lammas. And that will then take you
Anna,
through
what
here.
was... Yeah,
That they've gone back into the black hole of nothingness, which is an awful shame. But they'll come out of it, which is lovely. Unlike most black holes, you don't do that. Let's give you some of these messages out. Thank you for these. Jane on Facebook, the girl guides have a centre at Hobbes. And Daniel on Facebook is saying Hobbes is of course an anagram of about his. Thank you to John on the text. The gull wing door, I remember, was on a Mercedes-Benz car. So is there a car show somewhere nearby? Or possibly. Great one. Thank you, Dave on Facebook. Gull wing door makes me think of Back to the Future, the DeLorean. Yes, they had gull wing doors on there as well, didn't they? Mark on Facebook. It looks like there's a Heritage Open Day at the Girl Guiding Centre today, doing some outdoor cooking event by the looks of it. That sounds promising. Mark, I'm going to give you a collective organ. There you go. That was it all at once. Jules, you had a question for us. You were in the back hole and now you're out of it.
Oh, yes. So, do you know what? I can't remember what it was. I got distracted by two cyclists coming in.
Oh, that's fine. That's understandable. Yeah, we're in dissertation zone again. Oh, that's fine. Well,
Yeah.
tell you what, Jules.
Was it left at the garage and then left at...
Is this in Colchester?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, where you're coming in off the Buxton Road, so you turn left at the recruiting sergeant, then you go over a bridge there, and then you'd follow the road round. So there's like a little triangle where there's the garage. So you keep left, and then you take the first left there. Oh well, it's just a little bit further along. Then there's a left turning, and that's sort of a very nice gentle road, that one. Called Great Hobbs Road. Yeah.
Anna, I heard...
She didn't hear a lot of it, did she? But you've got a while before you get there. So what I'm going to do, if that's okay, Jules, I'm going to play a bit of tunage, and I'm going to do the travel news. As long as you're on your way through towards Buxton Lammas, and we'll hopefully catch up when you get